On TikTok. How to make money on TikTok. Making money on TikTok is possible, and here are a few ways you can monetize your TikTok presence. Number one, influencer marketing. Build a large and engaged following on TikTok and collaborate with brands for sponsored event content. Brands may pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. Number two, live streaming. TikTok offers a live streaming feature where viewers can send you virtual gifts that can be converted into real money. You can receive gifts from your viewers during live streams, and TikTok takes a commission from the gifts you receive. Number three, TikTok Creator Fund. If you meet the eligibility criteria, you can apply to join the TikTok Creator Fund. It allows you to earn money based on the engagement and views your videos receive. TikTok shares a portion of its advertising revenue with creators in the fund. Number four, brand partnerships and collaborations. As your TikTok followers grow, you may attract the attention of brands that are interested in partnering with you for long-term collaborations. This can include ambassadorships, sponsored events, or product endorsements. Number five is selling of merchandise. Once you have established a loyal fan base, you can create and sell merchandise related to your TikTok brand. This could be clothing, accessories, or any other products that your followers may be interested in. Number six is crowdfunding. You can use crowdfunding platforms like Patreon or Ko-fi to allow your followers to support you financially. Other exclusive content behind the scenes, access or personalized shoutouts to your supporters. Remember, building a successful TikTok presence takes time. It also takes effort, it takes creativity. Consistently create engaging and high-quality content. Interact with your audience and explore different monetization options that align with your brand and audience. So instead of just watching others on TikTok, you also take these steps and you are going to monetize or make money from TikTok. I'm going to talk to you again soon. Bye.